Tesla China appears to be handling the reopening very well. The factory is expected to ship over 100,000 vehicles in September following the renewed COVID lockdown. This will be a significant improvement over the estimated 77,000 cars delivered in August. Welcome to Tech Heaven, and in this video we'll take a look at Tesla Giga Shanghai production update as of September 2022. Curious to know? Let's find out. Tesla China is gearing up to concentrate vehicle production on the domestic market, with recent drone flyovers at the Shanghai South Port Terminal revealing that the electric vehicle manufacturer is exporting what appears to be the final batch of vehicles. Given the timing of the flyovers, it appears that Giga Shanghai exports for the third quarter are being restricted. Tesla China typically devotes the first half of each quarter to exports, so cars from the factory are shipped abroad in the first 2 months or so. The volume of Giga Shanghai exports this quarter has been extremely impressive, with several fleets of thousands of Teslas spotted at the Shanghai South Port Terminal since the third quarter began. Several transport ships have been spotted loading Teslas from the port in recent days, according to drone operator Wu-Wa, who's been following the progress of Giga Shanghai since its inception. In true Giga Shanghai fashion, the vehicles were loaded quickly, and by Monday, the drone operator reported that the port had been nearly depleted of Teslas. This suggests that Tesla China is now focusing on domestic vehicle orders. This is good news for local EV buyers, as Giga Shanghai recently upgraded its production line. With the upgrades in place, Giga Shanghai is expected to be able to produce approximately 3,000 vehicles per day. This is enough to propel Tesla China into another potentially record-breaking month in September. Giga Shanghai is currently the electric vehicle manufacturer's primary export hub, supplying Model 3 and Model Y units to markets such as Europe and Asia. However, by taking on this role, Giga Shanghai can only focus on the domestic Chinese auto market at the end of a quarter. Fortunately, this system is likely to change in the future, especially as Tesla constructs another production facility near Giga Shanghai, which could pave the way for a run rate of 1 million or more vehicles per year. Tesla China recently passed some significant milestones. Giga Shanghai, the EV maker's China division, proudly announced earlier this month that it had produced its 1 millionth electric car. This is a significant achievement for a facility that only began delivering consumer vehicles in late 2019. The China Passenger Car Association Secretary General Xu Dongshu expects Tesla Giga Shanghai to sell 77,000 units in August. By the way, if you're watching us for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can enjoy our future videos while getting updated. Getting back to the topic. In July, Tesla Giga Shanghai delivered 28,217 vehicles. If Chu's projections are correct, Tesla China's sales will be up 173% in August and 74% year-on-year. The best monthly sales figures for Gigafactory Shanghai are 78,906 units. Tesla China reported 142% month-over-month increase in EV sales in June. Tesla China spent parts of July and early August upgrading Giga Shanghai's Model 3 and Model Y assembly lines. The upgrades should allow Tesla China to increase its output. The estimates provided by the CPCA Secretary General appear to be the tip of the iceberg. Tesla Giga Shanghai is expected to ramp up production in the coming weeks with a daily capacity of 3,000 units. Tesla had delivered 564,743 vehicles as of Q2 2022. Given that Giga Shanghai was not yet fully operational, Tesla's H1 2022 delivery numbers are impressive. Due to COVID-19 related shutdowns and restrictions, Tesla China's production was hampered towards the end of the first quarter and the beginning to middle of the second quarter. The factory upgrades at Giga Shanghai also had an impact on production in July and August. September could be the month when Tesla Giga Shanghai reaches full capacity. And once the upgrades are completed, its production output potential is enormous. Tesla aims to produce 2 million vehicles by the end of 2022. The EV manufacturer has a good chance of meeting that target now that Giga Shanghai has been upgraded and Tesla's new Gigafactories in Texas and Germany are ramping up production. It's worth noting that according to Chinese sources, the plant's current capacity is limited by parts supply rather than its own production capabilities. It suggests a higher output in the future. Who knows, maybe the company will be able to produce 1,000 plus units per month at some point. Regardless, even at the current rate, estimated delivery times have been drastically reduced, while the company celebrated a significant milestone of producing 1 million BEVs in Shanghai. BYD, despite using multiple smaller plants, is already producing significantly more plug-in electric vehicles and a comparable number of all-electric vehicles than Tesla. Because Tesla Giga Shanghai is Tesla's export hub and the majority of production in the first half of a quarter is for export, we can expect Tesla to have a strong end of Q3 in Europe. KTEL is building a new factory near Giga Shanghai, and we will most likely see another factory near Giga Shanghai to expand on Tesla's production in China. Tesla currently only sells the Model 3 and Model Y in China, but this may change once the Cybertruck is available. With the new Model 3 line and the carryover of 10,000 vehicles produced but not recognized as sold in July, we should see September sales of more than 90,000 vehicles. Lockdowns occurred in China, and this is something that will need to be monitored. If China decides to lock down again, we will see the same effect as we did in May 2022. Hopefully, China will not do so. In addition, how quickly is Giga Shanghai growing? Tesla has increased monthly output by 10,000 vehicles. This is often overlooked. With the shutdown of the Model Y line, Tesla has increased its annual production by 120,000 vehicles in just 3 weeks. According to Elon Musk, Tesla's greatest strength will be manufacturing, and this is proving to be true. Tesla is on track to produce 1 million vehicles per year this year, far outpacing all other electric vehicle manufacturers. Tesla's Giga Shanghai factory is ramping up production steadily. The factory only produces Model 3 and Model Y vehicles and recently reduced wait times for the entry-level Model 3 to 4 weeks. Model 3 rear-wheel drive and Model 3 Performance wait times have been reduced from 12 to 16 weeks to 6 to 10 weeks. That's a 6-week reduction, bringing the 3-month wait down to slightly more than a month and a half in the best-case scenario. The Model Y rear-wheel drive still has a wait time of 1 to 4 weeks compared to 4 to 8 weeks in August. Clearly, Giga Shanghai supply issues are being resolved, and with COVID restrictions easing, the factory is finally beginning to demonstrate its full capability. Tesla Model Y long range no longer has a 5-month wait time. Delivery is now expected in 4 to 10 weeks, according to Tesla's website. Tesla Model Y Performance can be delivered in as little as 6 weeks, compared to 12 to 16 weeks previously. Tesla decided to upgrade the production line late in July, taking advantage of recent restrictions and delays. All modifications were completed by early August and are expected to increase production capacity to 1.1 to 1.2 million units. According to Tesla's own Q2 reporting, Giga Shanghai had a 750,000 vehicle capacity prior to the upgrades, making it Tesla's largest factory. With the most recent upgrades, it has increased its lead with the company's manufacturing facilities. According to industry experts, Tesla can expect to sell approximately 77,000 vehicles in China in August, making it the second-best month of 2022 after nearly 79,000 vehicles were sold in June. By producing export models in the first half of each quarter, Giga Shanghai divides its production between exports and the domestic market. It's good news for Chinese and global customers because it means the factory is finally reaching its full potential, supply issues have been resolved, and the buying experience is returning to normal. Weeks rather than months of waiting gives customers more certainty. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. But before that, we'd like to know your thoughts on Tesla's delivery figures in China. Will Tesla be able to produce 1 million vehicles per year? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.